Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Quantum Ideas. So today I'll be solving some of the digital SAT problems related to system of linear equations. So let's get started. So number 1, we have given two linear equations. What is the solution xy to the system of equation above? So we have to find the solution to the system above. So let's do it. We have given two equation. We have given here x equal to 1 minus 3y. Just plug it in this x. Okay, we have so 3x, that is x is 1 minus 3y minus 5y is equals to minus 11. So this is 3 minus 9y minus 5y is equals to minus 11. So this is 9 minus 5, that's minus 14y. Take this 3 to other side, that becomes minus 11 minus 3. So this equals to minus 14y is equals to minus 14. So y is equals to minus 14 over minus 14 is equals to 1. So the value of y is 1. So here you can directly check it. Here is 2, value of y is, here is 1, here is 0, here is minus 1. So B is your answer. So let's go to number 2. Okay, it's also similar kind of problem. So let's see. The solution to the given system of equation is x comma y. What is the value of y? Again we have to find the y. So let's see here. Okay, so we have given here 3x equals to 12. So just plug it here. Okay, so 3x equals to 12. If we multiply both side by minus 3, minus, this becomes minus 3x equals to minus 12. So just plug here, minus 3x becomes minus 12, right? Plus y is equals to minus 6. So y is equals to minus 6. If we take minus 12 that side, that becomes plus 12. So this becomes minus 6 plus 12, that is 6. So our answer of the value of y is 6. Okay, let's move to next question. So number 3. So how many solution xy are there to the system of equation above? So this is very important question. So it is asking how many solutions. It's talking about the possible solutions of the given equation above. So for this we have a trick. So let's get the trick. So we are given two equations. Okay, so I am writing these two equations in the form of, let's say, a1x plus b1y equal to c1, and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. We can say these are the two standard equations of line. Okay, these are called two standard equation of line. So you can see here, this is a1x plus by equals to c, like that. Yeah, so this is the equation of line. Now see here, number 1, two lines will have only one solution. Okay, only one solution. When two lines will have only one solution? When they intersect at a point, right? If two lines intersect at a point like this, two lines intersect a point, they will have only one solution. Oh, I remember, guys, I have made a full video on this topic. Okay, you can check my early SAT video. Okay, that is a full and complete. So only one solution is there when there is only one intersection. So when that happens, the equation follows a1 over a2. The ratio of the coefficient of x is not equals to ratio of coefficient of y. Okay, b1 over b2. So number 2, okay, this is only one solution, no solution. Another case is no solution. When two lines will have no solution, that is when two lines are parallel to each other. If two lines are parallel to each other, they will have no solution. In that case, we have a1 over a2 is equals to b1 over b2 is not equals to c1 over c2. And there is number 3 case, that is infinitely many solution. What? Infinitely many solution. Okay, when two lines are going to have infinitely many solution, when two lines are overlapped each other. Okay, you can see they are coincide each other. Okay, two lines are coincide other. We can see here there are two lines, so two lines are intersecting infinitely many times here. Okay, there are two lines overlapping to each other, so we have what? Infinitely many solution. In that case, we have a1 over a2 is equals to b1 over b2 is equals to c1 over c2. Okay, and you can see this video from the description box, or you can see the icon from the top of this video also. Okay, so let's find the solution to number 3. So how many solution xy are there to the system of equation above? So to find the number of solution, what we say, we have to find these ratios and check. So let's go. So this is what, this is a1, this is what, b1, this is c1, this is the coefficient of x is what, a2, coefficient y is b2, and this is c2. So let's find out. So what we say, just find 2 over 1, yeah, coefficient, that is a1 a2, and here is also the coefficient of this is b1 and b2, that is minus 4 over 2, and there is c also 8 over 4, and this is 2 over 1 is 2, minus 4 over 2 is minus 2, and this is 4 2. That means a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. So you don't have to check number 2 and 3, you just stop here. Okay, that is a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. That means the given equations have only one solution. So answer is b1. Okay, if you don't understand, let's go to next question and find out more. In the system of equation above, a and b are constants. So a and b are constants. If the system has infinitely many solutions, what is the value of a? So if the equation have infinitely solution, two equation will look like same, and the ratio of the coefficients will be equal. a1 over a2 equal to b1 over b2 equal to c1 over c2. So what is here a1? a1 is 2 over what is a2 is b is equals to, this is what, b1, that is minus 5 over what is b2 is 10 is equals to what is c1 a over what is c2 is minus 8. So let's use this ratio to find the value of a. So minus 5 minus 8 go to that side into minus 8 divided by 10 is equals to a. So 5 8 is 40 divided by 10, so this 0 gone, so is 4. So the value of a is equals to 4 by using the condition that the system has infinitely many solutions. So let's go to number 5. Okay, I think it's the last one. So let's see, in the system of equation above, a is a constant. So here is a is a constant. If the system has no solution, what is the value of a? For the system to have no solution, we have what, a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2. Okay, so here let's say this is what, a1. Okay, this is b1, this is a2, this is b2. So let's find system has no solution means what, a1 over a2 is equals to b1 over b2. Just plug it. a1 is 1 by 3 divided by a2, a2 is 6 is equals to b1 over b2. b1 is minus 1 over 6, what is b2 is minus a. So what we can just use here, there is something below numerator, sorry, denominator is 1, right? So if you go 1 go to upside, this becomes 1 over 3 into 6. You can write like this. We can also write minus 1 by 6 into minus a. So this is like 1 over 6 3 is 18. This is minus minus plus 1 over 6a. Just flip it or take the inverse. This becomes 18. Just take inverse. This becomes 6a, and a is equals to 18 over 6. So 6 3 is 18, right? 3 is your answer. The value of a is found to be 3. So let's check the option. Okay, there is 1 by 3, 1 2 3. Okay, it's option is mistake here, guys. So this is not 2. Okay, this is actually, this will be 3. Okay, c is 3. So the value of a is 3. Okay guys, this much for today. So thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and see you. Bye bye till the next video.